Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1, we're going to go over Chapter 11, Lesson 1. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, let's go over a couple of the key concepts. Parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect, which means they are never going to cross. And they're never going to cross because they have that same slope. Parallel lines are shown with these little arrows that are shown in the pink here. So because they both have the arrows, I know that these two lines are parallel. So lines JK and line LM are parallel. And another way to show something is parallel is to have this symbol. This is the parallel line. Alright, next we have skew lines, which are lines that do not intersect and are not coplanar. So our example here is that line L and plane M are skew. So they're not going to intersect and they're not on the same plane. Parallel planes are planes that do not intersect. So as you see here, we have plane A and plane B. They're parallel to each other, but they will never cross and intersect. Alright, let's go over our key concepts. Transversal angle pair relationships. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to have to memorize more theorems or rules if I don't have to. So let's find a way to remember this one. So here I see the word interior. Interior angles, which mean your inside angles, which include angle 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are my inside angles. Then we have exterior angles. And the outside angles include angle 1, 2, 8, and 7. Then we have consecutive interior angles. And as you see here, are interior angles that lie on the same side as the transversal T. The transversal is just talking about the line that intersects these other two lines here. So in our case, we have angle 4 and angle 5, and we also have angle 3 and angle 6, which are consecutive interior angles. They are on the same side and they are interior angles as well. Then we have alternate interior angles. Well, interior, you know they're going to be inside, which eliminates half of your angles. But notice here it says alternate. So when it has alternate in it, think about it that there will be some on the left-hand side and there will be an angle on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side. So in our case, if we're starting with angle 3, the alternate interior angle would have to be angle 5. That's the only other option for an interior angle on the opposite side. Then angle 4 and angle 6. Alternate exterior angles are non-adjacent exterior angles that lie on the opposite sides of the transversal T. So once again, we have exterior, which are our outside angles, but they have to be on alternate sides. So one's on the left, the other one's on the right. So angle 1 and angle 7, and angle 2 and angle 8. The last one we have is corresponding angles, which means they lie on the same side, on transversal T, and on the same side of Q and R. So we'll say we have angle 1 and angle 5, and angle 2, and angle 6. And then we also have angle 3, and angle 7, and angle 4, and angle 8. Alright, so really quick, let's go ahead and go over what we have here. So first of all, we have our parallel lines. Then we have this transversal, which cuts between both of those lines. So first thing we have is corresponding angles. So as you see here, no matter what happens, the corresponding angles are always going to be congruent. And then if we have alternate interior angles, remember these are inside angles that are on opposite sides. One's on the left, one's on the right. And that's going to be the same as it switches as well. And you can see like that, it doesn't matter. Then we have alternate exterior angles, which means outside angles on the opposite sides. One on the left, one on the right. Doesn't matter how our problem changes, it's not going to be affected. Next we have same side interior angles. They're both on the same side and they are inside. But notice they're different colors, which means that they are not the same in degrees. And they never will be. Last one we have here is same side exterior angles. So they are on the outside and they are on the same side. And I can't say they're congruent because no matter what we do, they're not going to be the same. And that's it.